Hey guys, Tommy at Monts Family Homestead. Friday afternoon, the week after, what you call that? Daylight savings time. I should never forget that. You get home in the afternoons and you got plenty of daylight. Man, I'm so excited. We've got to get to planting seeds. All right, we came into the greenhouse and what'd you say, Electra? What did you want me to do? Turn the heat down. Y'all, it is. It's probably 105 in here anyway. We can't turn it down, so we're going to kind of open the door and get us a little fresh air in here. That's what we use for seed starting mix. Natural and organic seed starting mix. It's made by Jiffy, not a sponsor or anything like that. But we've had really good luck out of this. This is the 4th or 5th year we've used this. But that's what we use to start all of our seeds with. All right, this is what I do. There's other people do it different ways, but this has always worked for me. Get to over this. I'll put some in here, about halfway, something like that. That's not half. Let's go half. There we go. And then I'll put water in there, just to mix it up really good so it'll be good and moist, because this stuff takes a lot of water to I mean, it soaks up a ton. Just that little bit of bit I put in there, it's already still dry. And when I can get it and I can take it and just squeeze a little bit of moisture out of it, that's what I want. So what we'll do is we'll take and we'll come right on top of here. Now you know, go across the top of them like that. And I may waste a little bit, but I'm not going to worry too much about that. But what I'll do is make sure to get these things full. But anyway, that's what mine does, and I make sure. And I'm going to put my seeds in here. There's one little spot right there. I'll put some in. And what I'll do is I'll come back. Like I said, I'm not going to bore you with all this. I'll come back, and whatever seeds I put in these, I will cover these just with a little bit of potting soil. A seed starter, just to be sure. Now, a lot of people use vermiculite, and that's fine too. It doesn't matter. Just make sure that your seeds are in there and they're covered. All right, we came into the carport because we were going to do this outside, but the wind is really blowing. It's probably 20 miles an hour, and you know what seeds do with wind. So, hey. Visitor. Oh man. So what are you doing?
Nothing. What y'all doing?
We're fixing to plant seeds. You want to help?
Sure. Okay.
Yeah, right. One seed, go by. I've got Electra, and we're going to put out some seeds on this paper towel. And we're doing broccoli first. Broccoli.
What is it?
Now what we do is, and a lot of you do this also, but we just take a pencil, make sure it's really sharp. It doesn't have to be, but it's a lot easier. About a half from the tip of it to where it stops sharpening is about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. So that's what we do. We come down through here and we'll put, but I'll start on your side, okay? And we'll go up to that hole right there, or to the, where that is, where the pencil is sharpened at, and that's how deep our seed will be, about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch deep. Just like that. All right, now Electric, what you can do is, you can get one seed at a time. These are tiny. Okay, like that. You put it in the hole, very good. All right. You notice you don't have to have glasses. I got mine here ready for me. All right, can you see those? Right there. We're going to do 10 broccolis. Yeah, I think you skipped that one right there. Okay, there you go. And then the next one right there. Now, for those of you that have children that are this young, or like us, we have grandchildren, there's no time like the present to be teaching them about self-sustainability, about having a garden, about raising their own. I like to let the cat out of the bag because There'll be a video coming out soon about something else, but I can't let you in on that yet. But having your vegetables, things like that, we're supposed to start planting some fruit trees, fig trees. You've got to take care of yourself because nobody else is going to take care of you. Now, since Lindy loves spinach, I mean on everything. She does on her salads, which we do too, but she's really in love with it. She does spinach and eggs, cooks them together. She sautés them and puts them on, I mean, everything, you name it, but she loves it. So I'm gonna plant her 3 rows of spinach right quick. All right, 1 down, 2 to go. So this time we're going to plant marigolds and zinnia. Now, we try to have a few flowers around our garden. I mean, you know how bees love flowers. That helps with the pollination. I mean, it just helps with everything. So we're gonna plant, and I'm probably gonna make a different raised bed for this just to kind of get around some areas. So let's get those planted. Like I said, I'm not gonna show you everything. I'll show you when we get. All right, just about done with this one. Starting on this side, we're gonna do 2 rows of silver queen okra, and I will plant other okra too in the summer for the fall. Anyway, 2 rows of zucchini squash, 2 rows of cabbage, 2 rows of the cherry tomatoes, jelly bean hybrid cherry tomato, and then we're gonna do 2 rows of Parks, P-A-R-K-S, Whopper bell peppers. So we'll get that done. Now I came up with this little idea, is to name these Tray 1, Tray 2, and Tray 3. So I will do that accordingly to what these are. I'll write that on there. And unless somebody wants to play an awful joke and switch them around about, a week from now. Hey guys, I want to thank you so much for watching Monts Family Homestead. Again, this is the way we do things. It works for us. We're going to keep doing it like that. But again, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. And remember, God loves